What is the rainforest? Rainforests are not seen in your backyard and maybe not even in the country where you live. Certain conditions need to be met in order for a rainforest to exist. First of all, there must be a warm climate. Many of the world's tropical rainforest regions are located on or around the equator, or the tropics. In fact, many countries have rainforests. The countries with the largest amount of rainforests are Brazil, Congo, Indonesia, Peru, Bolivia, Angola, Venezuela, Papua New Guinea, Mexico, and India. In a tropical rainforest, it rains nearly every day, and they get about 80 inches of rain a year. These rainforests have an average temperature of about 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius. Rainforests cover about 6 to 7% of the Earth's surface and contain more than half of the world's population of plants and animals. Most of these plants and animals we will never see or even hear about because of their small size, inability to live or exist in another region, and because many are close to extinction, which means the disappearance of a species. The largest rainforest on planet Earth is located along the Amazon River basin in the continent of South America. The Amazon is one of the longest rivers in the world and is never crossed by a bridge. A rainforest could not exist in another part of the world, such as the desert, because of the lack of rainfall. And it would never survive in the Arctic regions because it is simply too cold.